Okay, so the first question, that is, we have to find which nitrogen in this compound purine is not contributing to the basicity. Now all nitrogens have a lone pair. So in the left ring, if you check, in the left ring we already have 6 pi electrons, that is 2, these 4 and 6. So 3 pi bonds contribute to 6 pi electrons, so it is aromatic. And the nitrogen's lone pair, these lone pair both are available for donation, so they are basic. Now in the right side ring, you can see these two nitrogen have the lone pair, but this nitrogen's lone pair will be involved in conjugation. Okay, so to make this ring aromatic, we need 6 pi electrons. So we can count these two, and these two, 6 pi. So we can say that these electrons are involved in resonance, that is why cannot be donated for or cannot be used as a base. So this is not basic or least basic. This is also available. This does not involve in any kind of resonance, so this is also a basic nitrogen. So 3 nitrogens are basic, 1 is non-basic. Now coming to the second question, the rhombic and the monoclinic sulfur. Now the rhombic sulfur gets converted into monoclinic at a temperature of 95.6 degrees. Okay. Now below this temperature, this is more stable. Below 95.6 degrees, this compound is more stable, and this allotrope is more stable above 95.6 degrees. Okay, and they both have S8 structural units, but are arranged differently. Their arrangement are different in their crystal lattice. Okay, so they both have acid molecules. Yes, acid has a crown shape, or you can say that's a puckered ring structure. So it is also true. The SSS bond angles in the S8 and S6. In the S8, it is 108 plus minus 0.7 degrees, and in S6 it is around 102 degrees. So they are not same. So this is wrong. So the answer will be third one, the incorrect statement. And S2 is paramagnetic like oxygen. Yes, it has 2 unpaired electrons. Okay, so now we move to the third question. Okay, so in the third question, the extraction of copper by smelting uses silica as an additive to remove. Now silica is added as acidic flux, and it will combine with the basic impurities. Okay, so that is the purpose, to form slag that can be easily removed. Now in the case of copper extraction, iron oxide FeO, it is the basic impurity. So we add SiO2 that combines with the iron oxide to form FeSiO3, iron silicate, and that is removed as a slag. So answer is first option. Fourth question, the following statements concern elements in the periodic table, which is true. First option, for the group 15 elements, the stability of +5 oxidation state increases down the group. Now we know that due to inert pair effect, the stability of higher oxidation state decreases down the group, because the lower, as we go lower in the periodic table, the tendency of the inner s electrons to participate in the bonding, okay, is less. So they do not participate. That is why it is called inert pair effect. So this statement is wrong. Second, all the elements in group 17 are gases. bromine is liquid. Okay, so they are not all gases. Third, the elements of group 16 have lower ionization enthalpy values compared to those in group 15. Now let us compare the values. The oxygen and nitrogen, then we can compare sulfur and phosphorus. Now the value for the oxygen is, okay, so the values, these are the values, and we can compare these values. So for oxygen and nitrogen, nitrogen has higher value of ionization energy because of its half-filled orbital. Similarly, phosphorus has more ionization energy compared to sulfur. So obviously we can say that in the first two members, the group 15 will have higher ionization energy than the group 16. But as you go lower, the trend doesn't continue. Okay, in the lower members, this trend is not continued. So I'm not sure that whether this should be the true statement. And the group 13 elements are all metals wrong. Boron is metalloid. Okay, so going by that, the answer should be, answer हमारा होना चाहिए third option. The solution for the rest of the question is also coming soon. Okay, thank you.